What's up guys, it's Gio back with another video. Today we're gonna go do some rolling shots. I totally forgot to do the intro while we were parked. But I have so far, I have an Evo, I have this car in front of me, I think this is another car, oh yeah, and I have the S13 with the 180, the 180 with the S13 front end in my back. And I have an R32 Skyline, I don't know if you guys can see it from the back. But we're gonna go do some rolling shots for now, and then I'll record everything. And then we're cruising to a little island, I believe. So once we get there, I show you every single car that we have in the cruise. We did a quick stop. All of us just take a little break from driving, just drove for a minute. But this is the cars that I got, since I told you guys I forgot to introduce them at the beginning. So we got my car, I mean the 34 you guys always see in the videos. And then all these 4 cars haven't been with me yet. We have this R32. We have JCX90. And then we have the S13, the 180 with the S13 front end. And then we have the Evo. I think it's Evo 4. It's a small little group, but all these cars are super clean. I really love the look. I especially love it. I have 2 like midnight purpose. It's fucking beautiful. I'm gonna get the back as well, so you guys can see the back. Because I know this R32 has a different spoiler. You don't see many 32s. The only other 32 that I see with this spoiler. It's my homie Donovan. He has a white one, semi spoiler as well. And then this is just nice. Like I said already, 180 in the back, S13 in the front, and then we have the Evo. Oh, I just love the cars in here in Japan. Okinawa, Japan is beautiful. Nothing but clean cars. And everybody's super nice to each other, actually trying to help, you know. We're still cruising. I don't know if you guys can see all of us. A black RX-7 just joined us as part of the group that we have right now, but he was busy earlier. The R32, the blue one left, but we have the RX-7. I don't know if my camera can catch you over there. But we're just now cruising, hitting some roads and stuff like that. So we pull up in this little parking lot over here, because apparently there's a hiking trail up there. So we're gonna go do a little hike. But don't judge my parking. That was the only spot that was kind of like open. And this is the RX-7 the Jonas. This thing is clean. I think it's the first time I see it in person. And just look at it. It looks so mean, and it's low, like super low. And that fitment though. This is one of the nicest RX-7 I've seen so far. And the interior is like black on red. It's just like the best combo. This thing is clean. And then of course we have the rest of the cars they already showed earlier today. The 91, and then we have the I call it S13 a lot because I go based on the front end, but I mean it's a 180. Oh, I'm gonna just call it for S13 from now on probably. Now we have the Evo cooling down a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna go catch him up because we're already hiking. I'm gonna catch him up real quick, go for the little hike, check out the little what's up there, and then well, we're probably gonna keep driving after that. So this is a little spot we hiked to. It's a little like 5-10 minute hike, but the view is fucking beautiful. I love this island. It's such a nice view, and then I mean it's the stairs to come out here, like you know, stairs, not real stairs, but like I'll show you guys right now. And it took a minute to get up here. I got gas out, but the view is like, you know, it's worth it for the view, definitely. This is the stairs I was talking about. It's a lot. Like you go down to the right, and I think you go to the left again to the right. It's a long walk, but like I said, it's worth it for the view. We got the 180 in front of me. Then we have the Evo to the side. So this is the Evo 4 that I was trying to show you guys the other day, but it was, of course, it was dark, so you guys couldn't see. And right now, like, we still have daylight, so I wanted to show you guys how it looks on the day. I know you guys can actually see the wheels today. That's up there at night because it was dark. But like I said, he just got it. He had the Subaru B4. It's not in the parking lot right now, but this is the one that he's driving right now. Amazing Evo. It's pretty quick as well, and then of course mine. But that's pretty much it. We went on that little cruise today. We hit some spots. We did that small little hike, and then I mean I came back home. Everybody, it was a long ass cruise, so everybody just decided to go home. But I mean yeah, that's it. See you guys in a different video.